children. In the previous video, we discussed about physical properties of metals and nonmetals. Now, in this video, we will discuss about chemical properties of metals and nonmetals. Here, we will know about the reaction of metals with oxygen, water, and acids. Air contains oxygen. Oxygen reacts with metal and form metal oxides. When iron nail exposed to air, after some days, we observe a powdery form on that. It is nothing but rust. Let's see the chemical reaction of iron with oxygen. Iron reacts with oxygen and water, form iron oxide. Iron oxide is nothing but rust. Rusting slowly destroys the iron objects. Can we stop the iron objects from rusting? Any solution for that? Yes, by painting or by galvanization. When iron objects are painted, they cannot come in contact with air. Hence, they does not get spoiled by rust. Coating a layer of zinc or chromium on iron objects is called as galvanization. Now, let's see the reaction of magnesium with oxygen. Burning of magnesium ribbon is a chemical change. Take a piece of magnesium ribbon, hold with tongues, and heat the magnesium ribbon. It starts burning with dazzling light and produces dense white fumes. The white fumes after cooling form white powder called as magnesium oxide. Add some water to magnesium oxide and test with litmus paper. Red litmus paper changes to blue. Hence, metal oxides are basic in nature. Now we see the reaction of metal with water. Put a sodium piece in water. The piece of sodium floats on surface of the water with a hissing sound. This shows that sodium is reacting extremely fast with water. Reaction of metals with acids. Can you guess what forms when a metal reacts with an acid? Metal reacts with an acid and forms salt and hydrogen. Hydrochloric acid gives metal chlorides, sulfuric acid gives metal sulfates, and nitric acid gives metal nitrates. Pop sound indicates that hydrogen gas is liberated when they react with acids. If we observe the equations here clearly, different metals are taken and two acids are taken. If you observe, all of them released hydrogen gas. Easily we can remember the reactivity series by one single sentence. Please stop calling me a careless zebra, instead try learning how copper saves gold. Chemical properties of nonmetals. Nonmetals do not react with acids. They also do not react with water, but they react with oxygen. Sulphur reacts with oxygen and forms sulfur dioxide. Let's see in the activity. Materials required: glass jar, diffragating spoon, spirit lamp, and sulphur. Take a small quantity of powdered sulphur in a diffragating spoon and heat it on a spirit lamp. As soon as sulphur starts burning, introduce the spoon into glass jar or tumbler. Cover the tumbler with a lid to ensure that the gas produced does not escape. Remove the spoon after some time, but try to keep the jar covered. Add a small quantity of water into the tumbler and quickly replace the lid. Shake the tumbler well. Test with the litmus paper. The oxide of sulfur turns blue litmus to red color. That means sulfur dioxide is acidic in nature. Finally, non-metal reacts with oxygen to give oxides which are acidic. Then sulfur dioxide is acidic in nature. Question time. Which gas is evolved when metal reacts with acid? Which metals are highly reactive? What is the nature of metal oxide? What are the examples of non-metals? What are the examples of metals?